Hello, my name is Barney Gant. I'm a Deputy Regional Forester located in the Pacific Southwest region of the Forest Service, also known as Region 5. The Forest Service is a diverse organization of over 30,000 people responsible for managing 193 million acres of public land spread across the United States from Puerto Rico to Alaska. The lands we manage are incredibly diverse, from the rainforests in the Pacific Northwest to the arid Southwest to the tall grass prairies. Our jobs are as diverse as the landscapes we manage, but every one of them contributes to fulfilling the mission of the Forest Service. Many of us have wondered how we fit into the Forest Service and how our jobs contribute to the agency mission. Let's meet a few of the fantastic men and women who work very hard in support of this mission.
My name is Richard Gonzalez, and I manage for healthy, sustainable forests and to keep forested lands forested.
My name is Tanya Wilkinson. I work at the Albuquerque Service Center Budget and Finance offices. I supervise a team of budget analysts that serve as liaisons to our budget partners across all region stations and areas.
My name is Mike Mascarenas. My duties include patrolling National Forest lands, investigating any resource damage, protecting the public, employees, and natural resources.
My name is Erwin Chambliss, and I help people identify invasive plants in the southeastern United States.
I'm Danelle D. Harrison, and I'm responsible for the management of 560,000 acres of National Forest System lands. I do this in collaboration with partners and stakeholders, as well as other Forest Service employees.
I am Ivan Gonzalez. I support the Forest Service in its communications efforts through network, computers and telecoms, and radios.
I am Frederick Phillips. I'm responsible for wildfire detection, suppression, and preventing human-caused wildfires through education, forest conservation, and public engagement.
I'm Susan Alden Weingart, and I have an awesome job. I get the great pleasure of working with all kinds of people across communities and landscapes to introduce our young people to the great outdoors.
My name is Linda Joyce, and I work at the Rocky Mountain Research Station in Fort Collins, Colorado. And my research focuses on quantifying the effects of climate change on ecosystems and natural resources.
The Forest Service employs thousands of people who work behind the scenes as well as directly implementing projects in the field. Our connections are much deeper than what we see at the surface. Each of us contributes in our own way to sustaining our nation's forests and grasslands, delivering benefits to the public, helping the global natural resource community make better management decisions, and making the Forest Service a high-performing agency. It takes all of us in all of our jobs for the Forest Service to succeed in its mission.
I am the forest silviculturist for the Kaibab and Coconino National Forest. I sustain our nation's forests and grasslands. I am the Forest Service.
I'm a supervisory budget analyst, and I help ensure the Forest Service ability to manage its funding. And by ensuring that, I also ensure that critical personnel on the ground delivering the programs have the financial ability to do so. I am the Forest Service.
I'm a law enforcement officer on the Cebu National Forest. The benefits I provide to the public is that I connect them to the outdoors. I am the Forest Service.
I'm an invasive plant specialist with the Southern Research Station, and my work helps sustain our nation's forest and grasslands. I am the Forest Service.
I am a district ranger for the Williams and Tucson Ranger Districts on the Kaibab National Forest. It is my pleasure to promote not only inclusive culture, but recruit a diverse workforce, which ultimately helps us excel as a high-performing agency. I am the Forest Service.
I'm a service area technician with the Chief Information Office. My work directly supports the transfer of technology and application. I am the Forest Service.
I am a fire prevention officer. I mitigate wildfire risk and connect the people to the forest. I am the Forest Service.
I am the Partnership Liaison for the Rocky Mountain region of the U.S. Forest Service. I deliver benefits to the public by connecting people to the great outdoors. I am the Forest Service.
I am a research ecologist, and my research helps sustain our nation's forests and grasslands. I am the Forest Service.
I'm an information technology specialist.
I'm an initial attack dispatcher.
I am the Chief of Staff and Assistant Director for the Forest Service Job Corps program.
I'm a General Engineer with the Forest Operations Research Unit in Auburn, Alabama.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am
the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
I am the Forest Service.
Yo soy Forest Service.
I am.
I am the Forest Service.
We are the Forest Service.